Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to submit an assignment within Microsoft Teams when we are already provided with a blank document to go ahead and submit through. So first I need to select whichever class I am going to submit an assignment for. So in this case, I'm going to submit an assignment for my English Language Arts class. And I'm going to go to my assignments. And I can access those right up here, or I can access them over here. It's just easier to do it right through here. And I'm actually going to be submitting my journal entry number 2. I do understand that I'm submitting it late. It does give me a little heads up that it is tardy. So I go ahead and I click on my assignment. And I see what my journal prompt is. I already have it saved in my paste section. I've copied and pasted it after I already typed it in. So now I could add in additional work by clicking on add work, and it will give me the option of uploading a file. But in this particular case, my teacher has already provided me with a blank Word document that if I select this, I get this nice little pop-up here that once it finishes loading, you're going to see it's not editable at the moment. But what I can do is then I can go here to edit document, and I just want to edit it right here in this browser. And I click on edit browser. And then I actually select it here, and I believe that I've actually already pasted it in. Okay. So I've actually already included it here, but I have not saved it. But now I just want to make sure that when I do save it, I do wait for it to say saved. And then when I click close, it actually gives me the option here, and it says, do I want to turn it in, whether it's late or whether it's on time? It'll give me that question, turn in or turn in late. In this case, it is being submitted tardy. My teacher already understands that I'm submitting it late, and she has already said to go ahead and still turn it in. So then I can go ahead and I can click on turn in late, and my assignment has been submitted to my teacher, and that's all I have to do. So once I have my assignment, if my teacher has provided me that Word document, I can still go back and I can still look at it. It will still give me, and because it's already been submitted, it won't give me the option to continue editing it here. But then I can always close out, and it does give me the option to undo my turn in if I still need to make any edits to my assignment. So just keep that in mind when you are submitting your assignments. First check, did my teacher provide a document for me to submit my assignment through? That way I'm not inundating my teacher with a lot of different attachments that don't need to necessarily be included in my assignment. And that's how I submit my assignments.